So girl, it is currently Sunday. I'm about to go to Walmart and I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree and probably Ross because it's a Ross nearby. So yeah, let's just do this short little vloggity vlog for this Sunday. Oh, y'all see something new? My nails. The Mia did them, girl. They so cute. I love them. And they really, to be honest, like the style is so freaking me. I love it. Anyways, I'm drinking my little cappuccino. I drink my cappuccino and I mind my business. Let's go, girl. Y'all, every time I come to Walmart, I have to look down this little aisle just to see if it's something that I would like or if they having a sale on anything. But yeah. Just looking, girl. And then, of course, we always have to. It's the hand wash though. I don't see it. Oh, it's right here. I don't want that. Oh, look at that one. That one's $7.97. That's not a bad deal. Ooh, that one is too, girl. Let's see what they got down here. Alright, I might get one of these, so I'm about to sniff one. We'll sniff them all, and then I'll come back with y'all, okay? I found a pop-up station, so they got the passion fruit soul. That one smells good, girl. Alright. Remember, they $7.97, so that's a good deal. Don't look at my underarms. Then I got the watermelon. Now, y'all know I love me a good watermelon. This smells so freaking good. And I got the bikini reef. Is this a new one? Okay, it smells really perfumey. I kind of like that one. Then the raspberry fizz. I like that one too. And then I got exotic room. This one kind of light. It's perfumey too, but it smells good. I feel like they all smell freaking good. And then they got the Blue Lagoon. I like how that one smells. And then they got the Sunkissed Poppy. I love Sunkissed Poppy. And I like the Tangerine. Tangerine smells so freaking good too. But the one I like the most, I think I like this one the most. I like this one and the Bikini Reef. Like this one. And I liked, was it this one I liked? Yeah, for some reason I like this one too. I might get this one. Yeah. So y'all, Honey Pot's got something too. They got a probiotic foaming wash. Okay, it's supposed to be, basically plant-based. This is a new one though. Nice, nice. Okay, y'all, so I'm over here. I'm looking for the tongue scrapers. Oh, they up here, girl. Okay, I get one of these. And that's all I need. I already have floss. Yeah. Yep, I got floss, so we can move on. The toothbrush, I bought this toothbrush. And then currently I'm using this one, but I already bought that one. But I want to get like one of these toothbrushes that are more expensive and I can just change out the head. But yeah, not right now though. Not right now. Hold up, y'all. They had another one over here, tropical mango, and y'all know I love mango. It kind of smells, I don't know. It smells good though. I think I'm gonna keep the Bikini Reef though, but this one smells good. It's $7.90. It's $7.97. Oh, and I really do want to get one of these. They're $8. I'm trying to wait until they have a sale, because y'all know I have this one, which is so freaking pretty. I want to get this one, and I want to get this one. But yeah. So this right here is the newest foundation tint. This would be really good for someone. I never tried it, y'all. Tell me how, if you have tried it, leave a comment down below and let me know. But these are currently $15.97, but this is their newest tint, the Buttermilk Glaze tint. Okay, and this is the clearance aisle. Y'all, if you do not go down the clearance aisle when you in Walmart, then I don't know. But they be having some pretty good stuff. Sometimes you can get sales on some really good stuff. Look at that umbrella. Does y'all look at Paris Hilton? She be doing her big one. She got her little drink too. That comes with the, what is these? Dietary supplements. She be doing her big one for real. But yeah, her little, these are cute though. I like those. They kind of jamming in here. The toys. Alright. Well, nothing that we want. So let's move on, girl. If you know, I've been wanting to make some keychains, but these will be cute freaking keychains. Look at them. So cute. All of them look cute though. Down the doll section. I'm not gonna lie. This is stuff I love to see. They $12.97, but look, they got the cute dark skin. They got a brown skin. They got a light skin. They got a Puerto Rican. They got a Dominican. They got everybody, girl. It's room for everybody over here. I love that for them. I love that for the girlies. So I recently did just return my little cup. Only because, like, I want something that I can actually hold. Like something like this. I was thinking about just getting this one, but I don't like how many ounces it is. I think it's only, what is it? Fluid ounces? I don't know. I think it's like 20 fluid ounces or something. But yeah, girl. I'm thinking about it though. I don't know. Oh, look at these drawers. I kind of want to get one of these too. Because they print out instant. And they have the fill paper too. And they have it in black too. It's $29 though. I think these are so cute. They got the little junior sippy cups for the kiddos. Oh, y'all, I love these lemon waters. I'm about to get some lemon waters. Because I like. Let's see. I need to get a strawberry pop too, because I love this too. Dang, I put y'all down. I haven't picked y'all up since. But this nasty, this nasty, this okay, this one is good. I love those. And then the Olippops, I don't really care for the Olippops, I'll say that. These naked juices are good too, but they have a lot of calories in them, so I don't like to eat them a lot. And I don't feel like chopping up onions, so I'm gonna buy some onions that's already chopped, girl. Because we're making tacos tonight, so yeah, something simple and easy. Not trying to record nobody. And then for work, I'm gonna get like 4 salads. I'm probably gonna pull from the back and look at the lettuce, because the lettuce, girl, I wasn't looking at the lettuce, and the lettuce be bad, mamas. Which other one do I want? I might get this one. Yes. So I might, yeah, I'll do this one. Make sure the lettuce is good. And then probably, yeah, another one of those. So that's 4. I need to get some shredded lettuce too, and a tomato, and that's it. Again, I'm going to pull from the back. Ugh, look at this. That looks bad. Oh, that one looks good. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie. I've been really liking the strawberries and the cherries. These cherries is so good. Oh, I never had these ones. I'm gonna try these ones. It's $6 though, girl. Look how much that is. Okay, well, we're not gonna try those. We're gonna go for these. Okay, that's it. Okay, so I'm over in this section. I do want to get some more earrings. Ooh, these are cute, right? Oh, y'all see me glistening? Y'all see me? Look at my nails. Ah! Look at my outfit, though. My mirrors is always dirty. But anyways, I do want to get some more earrings. Ooh, these are pretty, too. I had a pack of these. They kind of last a while, too, before they start to tarnish. So, that's good. Ooh, I like these, too. These are pretty. Giving very 90s. All right, I'm gonna look around and then I'll show y'all what I actually end up getting. Okay, y'all, so I ended up not getting any other earrings. I didn't like them. I want some that's similar to these, but these are starting to tarnish, but I've been having them for years. Anyways, I'm over here at the shirts, and I want to get a brown one, because I don't think I have a brown one. And this is my size right here, a medium. So yeah, I'm gonna get this, because I could have worn that under these, you know, so my belly won't be showing, because my belly is so exposed, girl. They have some that are for $3.98 too. They have a different pattern right here. Cute, right? Love them all. Okay, and let's move on. Okay, y'all, and it's starting to be kind of packed in here, so I'm about to check out. I'm checking out in the garden center. This is my basket. Yeah, so let's go see how much we didn't whack that.
$115.92.
Girl, y'all see that? Groceries be costing you an arm and a dang on leg. I swear they do. They having something up here though. Y'all see that? Hopefully I showed y'all, but they are having something up here. I'm gonna drive past it and see what they have. See, y'all, I don't know what it is, and I really don't want to go over there and be nosy, but they having something. Your little kids can play with it. Girl, it is burning up after. It's so dang hot. Okay, now I'm going to go to Dollar Tree. Only reason why I need to go to Dollar Tree is I want to get another bin for my shelving in my closet, because I want to get rid of that pink bin. And I'm just gonna go to Ross to look around. Probably gonna get nothing. Girl, look at me, y'all, being extra. Look at how sparkly her purse is. It's so cute. It's not focusing though. So what is this? Because I want to see it. Y'all know? Oh, okay. You gotta pay. $10 for the t-shirts, the popcorn, the monsters, and then they have the jumping Jupiter thing. Okay, so y'all, it's a Bath and Body Works coming. Opening this summer. Okay, the summer is basically here, so when they gonna open? But anyways, I'm going to the Dollar Tree and then I'm gonna go to that Ross. But yeah, I'm only in this Dollar Tree for one thing, and that's to get a bean. Yeah, so let's go. Okay, and this is literally what I'm in here for one of these. So y'all, let's grab it and go. So y'all, I'm in Ross now, looking around. This one smells so good. This one is just okay. This one is my first perfume I ever got, and my mama got it for me. Look at this, y'all. They got these cute little radios. They got the blue one and the red one. I've seen a black one too before. Look at this one. This one is pretty. They got a hint of brown and black and white. That's pretty. Yeah, $26.99. This one is pretty too. Yeah. And then they have this one. Look, and then this one is $80. I really like this one. It's pretty. I'm looking for like a carpet for my room. And of course, I'm always looking for ways to organize my room on my Vanity, so I look at everything, which those are cute. Look at these. Those are pretty too. Look at these. These are really cute. And they're only $14.99. Oops. Then they have these Playboy bunny. Those are cute too. It's a skirt. It is $20 though. Okay, and I got these cute baby fat shirts for $7.99. This one is cute too. It's longer. Okay, y'all, so this is the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had a lot of fun. It was short, sweet, and cute. But I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.